All right, my desk full of new product, new stuff going on, trade-ins, all that stuff. Time to start looking at it, clearing it out a little bit. Yeah, we got plenty of time right now, so I'm going to show you some new stuff that we have in. Hopefully, do a little bit more of this. So, new one. We've had this in before, but we just got restocked. Looks like they did another shipment. This is the Sig Sauer 320 DH3. Check that one out. Optics cut. All right, let's check out the magazines. What we got here? 21 round mags. This has like a sandpaper finish. If you guys want to check out the DH3, definitely it's in the 320 series. It does have raised night sights. It does look like it has some cutouts also. Trigger, I'm sure, is phenomenal. They're part of their chassis system. Now it is weighted and it does have a mag well on it. This one weighs a lot more than your regular ones. If you want to check this out, it is available right now at Top Guns and topguns.us. It comes with a couple different things. It has 3 magazines, and under your feet, I dropped the coin. It does come with a cool coin also. Check that thing out from the Custom Works. Can you see that? From Custom Works. All right, guys, check out the new Sig DH3 right now at Top Guns and at topguns.us. See ya.